Hi everyone, this is the ES960, a high-quality outdoor energy-saving LED cabinet. In our last video, we walked you through the front maintenance tutorial for this cabinet. Today, we will cover its rear maintenance operation. Rear maintenance consists of two parts, the LED modules and the power box. Here are the tools you will need for rear maintenance. T-shaped screwdriver, electric screwdriver. Now let's start with module maintenance. There are 4 locking latches fixed on the back of each module. Insert a screwdriver into the small hole and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Push the module firmly outward. Detach the safety rope from the module. Next, you will move on to power supply box maintenance. You can open the power supply box directly for servicing. There's no need to remove the entire box. That's the full rear maintenance guide for the ES960 cabinet. This method is more convenient and time efficient. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching.